Well, my students, in the previous session, we discussed more information about the meaning of circular letters and the format of circular letters. So, in this session, unit 4 about sales correspondence, we discussed the topic about drafting of sales letters, drafting of circular letters on opening and shifting of new business. You already know that the circular letters are those letters which are circulated among them in a common class. The same subject matters are circulated for more number of people. Here, but the circular is related to opening the new business. Here, the main advantages of the circulars are: first one, it is very simple and effective way of communication. Since it is precise and written, very little chance of miscommunication. It is the first feature. So, it is also quite inexpensive. It is cost effective way of communication. It is less expensive process. Then circulars are also a time saving method. It reaches the large number of people in a very limited time and efforts. Then they are the great advertising and marketing tools as well. They can help create a new market, educate people about the product or services, and also increase consumer confidence in the company and in the product. Then related to circulars, it is both time effective and cost effective. This is true since these flyers are in first way to hand out and express information. We can type any information in computer with watermark and get as many numbers of copies as you may desire. The circulars can extend to any amount of pages if the amount of information that to convey is voluminous. And suppose if you want to inform about an impending seminar, then about 4 to 5 lines will suffice. On the other hand, if you want to express any rule or dress code, then sufficient grounds for the implementation should also express along with desire to change. So, this method saves your time and the cost involved by personally meeting each person and conveying the decision. So, it is less expensive process. Thus, this enables the staff to be abreast of those happening in the office and will aid them to provide rapid feedback about any situation. If the company is customer oriented, say for instance those companies dealing with beauty and any other household products may utilize these circulars to inform about the new varieties that the company is going to introduce in the market. Second point is, it identifies the right audience. Imagine you to get a circular about program or a crash course dealing with marketing strategy. You will ignore if you are not in the marketing department. Though it send it to whole office, the connect with specific department only will take ask to provide the replies and the other can very well ignore it. Hence, this is the cost effective method that identify the target audience. Next feature is, it provides permanency of records because it is written records. All these flyers circulate throughout the office for a specific purpose. They will file for any future purposes, thereby providing a permanent stature and allowing us to verify its contents at any time in the future. Therefore, it becomes impossible to impersonate or duplicate the contents of circular according to one's need, and the biggest advantages is that these contents along with the specific date of happening can always be verified at any time. Next point is, a form of legal documents with designation authority. It is another feature. Any form of written communication considered as a form of legal authority, and these flyers are also no exemption, as these circulars always bear the official signature and stamp of higher managerial authority to enhance the validity of the information and veracity of the claims are to be accepted. Also, these circulars have the right to discuss the allocation of responsibility to a specific number of persons by informing about their duration of activities and the extent of their responsibilities. Just another feature is as a wider dimension and wide reach. These circulars have vital role in expressing and pitching some ideas. Suppose if the manager has to question its employees their views about the organizational aspects, they can very well utilize this method and ask their suggestion to be submitted in the ballot box. On the other hand, if some of the company's policies and objectives need to reiterate strictly, then this method can be applied very well. There also it perform the same. The flyers can also use if the company undergoes the process of recruiting the new people and wants the old employees to understand and also invite some of their friends and relatives to apply. Just another feature is a source of goodwill. Apart from sending instructions and future happening, the circular also use a source of goodwill which extends towards its employees and customers. If the company performs extremely well, then the management cannot wish everyone personally about the achievements and their contributions. In that case, an official circular expressing the heartfelt gratitude from the management will enact the part by describing the words of the management to its employees. Then format. Then the advantages of the circulars. A circulator sample announcing the opening of the new branch, new business in a city. A circulator sample announcing the opening of the new business in a city. First, head address. Already the head address is written in center place of the letters. It is the first and main part of the letter. Here, according to the format, the example is the electronic word. The electronic word 2/6 Mahakali Dhaka 1212. It is head address. Thereafter, we write the date in right side corner of the letter. That is the present dates are mentioned. After completion of the date, by giving double line spacing, we write the inside address. That is, we write the dear customer, we have to come to your city, do you wish to come to your home, like that. Or we simply write the dear customers, etc. Then first paragraph of the letter is, just within 5 years of being established, the electronic world has made a name in the supply of anything and everything in electric domestic appliances, having won the recognition of our customers in Chittagong for our goods and services. We have now opened a new outlet in your city at the address given above. It is the first main opening paragraph. It contains the introductory point. In the second paragraph is the main body of the letter. According to that, the electronic world is the largest traders of all types of electrical appliances for your home. It will be pleasure to assist you in the purchase of fittings and maintenance of your domestic electrical equipments. You will get specialized services from us in installing various electrical appliances at your home. Then whatever you are planning to buy this month, you can make a choice from our wide selection of refrigerators, washing machine, blenders, oven, toasters, mixers, grinders, TV, VCD, DVD, air conditioners, etc. Then we have different models and brands for the mentioned appliances. We hope our products will provide you the best services in the city. As we always look for the benefits and satisfaction of the customers, we can enjoy the credit services, guarantees and warranty at our shop made of you. In the last paragraph, concluding paragraph, you are most welcome to our showroom at the above mentioned address. You will glad each and every time when you will visit your shop, the Electronic World. Your cordially signature is Kiran, Marketing Manager, the Electronic World. Then when you ready to open the new business, it's common to send out mass mailing or circulars to as many potential customers as possible, announcing the opening and inviting people to visit. Remember, people are busy and most would not take the time to read long-winded announcement. So here are some of the tips when you write your letters. They are, first one is make it short. It is the first features. Then make it to be point. Another feature is personalize it by using you and not our customers. Customers, everyone, clients, etc. Another feature is enclose an opening office such as money vouchers or free consultation, whatever works you business. Make it sure it's genuine offer. Another feature is remember to insert contact details. Then pictures. Nothing makes a better impression of your business than good professional points. These are all the main contents in the letters. Then circular announcing opening of the new business contains the following points. First one, provide information regarding the type of new business, inauguration, date and place. Secondly, elaborate the importance of business. It is also main concept point. Then announcement of discount as a special attraction at the time of inauguration. Then mention about the new premises and extend invitations. They are all the main contents in these letters. Circulator sample for announcement of the new business, like that. Dear sir, we take pleasure in announcing the opening of a departmental store in Damandi Plaza, shop number 167, like that. We have taken an initiative to provide 5% discount sale of the inaugural day. The opening ceremony of the store will take place in the morning 10 o'clock on 4 September 2017, like that. You are cordially invited, like that. It is an example format. Then how to write this letter, circulators? Here the first point is announce the opening of your business and add a brief message about your service or product. If the business or office is extension of the known business, explain that relationship. Secondly, invite the reader to your customer, provide enough information so he or she can easily take advantages of your offer. Consider offering sale or holding the open. Okay, thank you.